maintained that mindset of we are a defensive team, and now Rainer Shine with already 31 points with still over 1 minute remaining.
And here exchanging threes here, and Ambata struggling to receive the ball, and Magnolia on that attack, and now they're on an upsurge here. They now lead by 3.
Enormous quarter for papahinga. Titignan natin kung sino ang magkakaroon ng konting advantage dito sa second quarter, playing with an all-Filipino complement. Ang ganda ng energy, minsan wala rin siyang control, but so far so good for Gio.
Magnolia by 3. First 2 minutes of the second quarter. Corpus attacks.
He's playing with so much
Basketball term is the defense was frozen. It's better in Filipino. Napura yung defense. In the meantime, Jalalon, you're very
good. You talked about the first one. Nabura yung depensa ni Gio Jalalon, nakatreso ng batak. Ito naman, nawala rin yung depensa.
Jalalon still heading the attack. Here's a great attack by Corpus that finds its way. Oh.
You give up that wide open shot. It seemed like a good shot for a better basket for your teammates. So, yun ang magandang opensa na pinapakita ng Rainer Shine. Samantala,
drive. That's steal. Here comes Corpus. He will dish to the left and a great time.
And another perfect example. Off the bench to break the momentum because the other team is already scoring. You come up with an execution, your import will save the day for you because of an easy basket. But on the other side, there has to be a better Magnolia. You have 5-man defenders. Mahihirapan talaga sila umiscore.
Let's take a second look at this. Oh, no. I love it in Filipino. Sa
Tsaka yung kanyang destination was if he was faking a pass to the corner.
Get here in the third. Jalalon starts his motion. Oh, that makes things up. And I am in a state of shock. Assist na, basket pa. We will replay that a million times. I can tell you. Bawi. Hindi may pasa. Sarado ang vision for a basket. Great pass to the middle.
He had a lot of options, yes. Gio Jalalon.
Shot clock at 11. Ahmad Bisi likes this corner. Why not?
And that is why
in the meantime, we had Walker drilling in a long one, and the lead is whittled down to 15. A lot of time remaining, but Magnolia has just found a way to